Tim and Jake, the power of truth. Once upon a time in a little village called Sunnyvale, there lived two best friends, Tim and Jake. Tim had curly brown hair and loved to play soccer. Jake had a big toothy smile and loved to draw. They did everything together, riding bikes, playing games, and even catching frogs by the pond. They were the happiest when they were together. But Tim had one bad habit. He loved to tell lies. Sometimes he lied to make his stories sound exciting, and other times, he lied just for fun. Jake didn't like this habit, but he always forgave Tim because he thought their friendship was strong. One sunny afternoon, Jake was painting a picture of the pond, and Tim came running over. "Jake! Jake!" Tim shouted. "You won't believe it. I saw a real-life dragon near the woods." "A dragon?" Jake asked, his eyes wide with curiosity. "Yes. It was huge and green, and it even blew fire," Tim exclaimed, waving his arms for emphasis. Excited, Jake grabbed his sketchbook and followed Tim to the woods. But when they got there, there was no dragon, not even a burnt leaf. Jake frowned. "Tim, did you make this up?" Tim scratched his head and laughed nervously. "Maybe." Jake felt hurt. "Tim, I don't like it when you lie. How can I trust you if I never know when you're telling the truth?" Tim shrugged, thinking it wasn't a big deal. But from that day, Jake stopped spending time with him. Whenever Tim asked Jake to play, Jake would say, "I'm busy," and focus on his drawings instead. Tim felt lonely, but he didn't understand why Jake was so upset. Weeks passed, and Tim started to miss his best friend. One day, while kicking a soccer ball around, Tim accidentally kicked it into the pond. He tried to reach it, but he slipped and fell in with a big splash. The water was cold, and Tim couldn't swim very well. "Help! Help!" Tim shouted, waving his arms. Jake was nearby, sketching under a tree. He heard Tim's cries and ran to the pond. Without thinking twice, he helped Tim come out. "Are you okay?" Jake asked, worried. Tim nodded, dripping wet and shivering. "Jake, I'm so sorry," he said with tears in his eyes. "I've been a bad friend. I lied so many times that you couldn't trust me. But I promise I'll never lie again." Jake looked at Tim for a moment. Then he smiled. "I forgive you, Tim. But remember, being honest is the most important part of being a good person." From that day on, Tim kept his promise. He worked hard to be honest, even when it was tempting to make up stories. Slowly, Jake began to trust him again, and their friendship grew stronger than ever. And so, Tim and Jake went back to doing what they loved, playing soccer, drawing, and having fun by the pond. But this time, there were no lies, just lots of laughter and the joy of true friendship.